Thanks and welcome to a quick tutorial video on Automation Stitch. Automation stitches automate the activities between different system components, which decreases the response times to security events. In this example, we'll use an automation stitch to ensure that the IT team is immediately aware of performance issues and can quickly address them, minimizing downtime and maintaining a smooth user experience for customers. In the step 1, we are setting the CPU utilization threshold to 85% by configuring the threshold settings within Login Report, Log Config, Other Log Settings. In the step 2, configure the CLI script action by navigating to the Security Fabric automation. Create a new Teams notification and enter a name and Teams notification URL, the message type, and the message info. On step 3 is the webhook URL and Teams setup. For step 4, create a Microsoft Teams notification action and follow the instructions on the video. On step 5, we will create a stitch which combines the CPU usage trigger and the action. Step 6 is a screenshot of the notification received when the stitch is triggered.